Okay. So, good morning to one and all. In the previous practical, we have discussed one practical related to transformer in the previous one. That is to determination of equivalent circuit parameter of a single phase transformer by performing open circuit test and short circuit test. Okay, open circuit test and short circuit test perform करून we have determined the equivalent circuit parameter. So equivalent circuit parameter in the sense the no load parameter, like no load current I0, like magnetizing current I mu, or it may be IM, and working component of no load current, that is IW. Also we have determined the equivalent resistor R0, no load resistor, and the equivalent reactance, that is X0. Again by performing short circuit test, before that performing open circuit test, we are able to calculate the constant losses or the core losses. Okay, and these losses, it is useful while calculating efficiency at any particular load. कुठल्याही लोडला ज्यावेळेस efficiency find out करतोय, at that situation these losses are used. Okay, then second one test we have performed is that we have already performed is nothing but short circuit test. Short circuit test आपण perform केले. So in case of short circuit test, so that is SC test. By performing SC test, we are able to calculate the equivalent circuit parameter referred to any one of the side. कुठल्या एका साइडला रेफर केले इक्विव्हॅलंट पॅरामीटर कॅल्क्युलेट करतोय आपण. So this equivalent parameter we are able to calculate by performing SC test, like equivalent resistance referred to any one of the side, that is referred to secondary or referred to primary. So we are here referring to secondary side, that is we are able to calculate the equivalent resistance R02, equivalent reactance X02, and equivalent impedance Z02. So in case of considering and performing the short circuit test. Okay, so this test we have already explained in the previous practical. Today we will discuss about the next one practical, that is experiment number 7, is that the parallel operation of a transformer. Okay, so in the theory we have covered already this one part, what is meant by parallel operation, what is the necessity of parallel operation, okay, and how the parallel operation it can be performed. So our title of today's experiment is that the parallel operation of transformer. Okay, can anyone tell me why the parallel operation is necessary? Because we have already covered in the theory why the parallel operation is necessary. Anyone? Anyone? Why the parallel operation of transformer is necessary? That is, we are operating two or more than two transformer in parallel. We have also derived one equation, that is when the kVA rating of the transformer is equal, then we have calculated the load shared by each transformer. Also we have calculated the current shared by each transformer in the theory. Tell me why the parallel operation is necessary. Anyone? Can anyone able to tell? Hello? No one? पॅरलल ऑपरेशन ट्रान्सफॉर्मर पॅरलल मध्ये पुट करण्याची गरज काय आहे? So this is the simple question. Hello, please give me reply. Are you present? No? Present आहात का तुम्ही?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just give me single sentence whether you know the necessity or don't know. Just
Load is more capable than transfer.
load is more capable. Okay, next one. Next कोण सांगू शकेल का? Why the parallel operation is necessary? I have given example also. एक example पण दिलं होतं from our area or it may be from our society. I have already given example for that.
For supplying load in excess.
Okay, if the excess amount of load is there, so a single transformer, if it is not capable to share that load, so that to increase the demand or the meet in the increased demand, we required another transformer which is connected in parallel. Okay, see, necessity of parallel operation is that parallel operation ची गरज काय आहे, or the what is the necessity of parallel operation? See, in the day by day the demand of electricity, it can be increases because our India is a developing country, and the day by day there is a industrialization. Day by day there is industrialization, or the load on the power system, it can be increases day by day. Okay, power system वरचा load जो आहे तो दिवसेंदिवस increase होतोय because of the there is a industrialization, and our India is an developing country. So there is a new development in our India. That means there is a industrialization, it can be occur. So due to that industrialization, demand of electricity, it can be increases. Demand of electricity, it can be increases. And if the demand of electricity, it can be increases, ज्यावेळेस electricity ची demand increase होईल, that means the demand of electricity, it can be increases. Demand, it will be increases. And if the demand, it can be increases, suppose a power system, it can be constructed initially to meet the demand, up to 1000 kVA. Okay, पहिल्यांदा जी कंस्ट्रक्ट केलेली पॉवर सिस्टम आहे, so this system, it will meet the demand of 1000 kVA. And do you know that due to industrialization in that area, suppose any one of the industry, it can be increases in that area. So suppose the industry increases and the load on that industry, it will be increases by 100 kVA. त्याचा लोड काय झाला, increase झाला इंडस्ट्रीचा 100 kVA. So previously which transformer it can be used? That previous one transformer, it is not capable to meet that demand of 1100 kVA. Okay, 1100 kVA demand cannot be covered by this previous one transformer. And if we construct another one transformer, suppose आपण another one transformer घेतला, तो transformer from power system पासून separate connect केला, that means suppose here it is generating station, from generating station there is a power transformer, after that there is some transmission line, after that here is one distribution station, and after that there is a consumer or it may be load of industry. Okay, see, by constructing another one transformer or designing one transformer and which is directly connected to the supply, ला कनेक्ट करून परत जर लोडला द्यायचा असेल, okay, when we are giving to that of load, so it will take a better more cost. So cost of that, it will be more. That means again different construction. From that source to that there is one of the power transformer is there, again there is a transmission line cost is there, after that distribution substation is there, and their transformer, it can be fed to that of same. So instead of connecting that transformer to the top directly in the power supply, or it may be directly in the source, we are connecting this transformer parallel with that of previous transformer. जो आपण एक्सेसचा ट्रान्सफॉर्मर यूज करणार आहे. So this transformer, it can be connected in parallel with that of previous one transformer, old transformer. See, old transformer च्या parallel मध्ये आपण काय करतोय, कनेक्ट करतोय. See, when it can be connected in parallel with that of old transformer, so that means how it can be connected. The primary of both the transformer, primary winding of both the transformer, suppose this one is the supply line, consider kara, this one is the supply line, and this one is the transformer 1, this one is the transformer 2. Okay, transformer 1 primary is there, transformer 1 secondary is there, another one transformer primary, another one transformer secondary. I will draw here this one. Okay, this is the secondary of second transformer. If the primary of both the transformer, it is connected to common supply voltage, that means याची primary इथं connect केले. Similarly, the primary of second transformer, it can be connected on the same supply, that is common supply, and the load, it can be connected on the both the transformer, that is transformer secondary, it is connected to the common load. It is connected to the common load. Then we can call it as both the transformer are operating in parallel. हे जे काही दोन्ही ट्रान्सफॉर्मर आहे ते ट्रान्सफॉर्मर पॅरलल मध्ये ऑपरेट होत आहेत. Okay, so these two transformer, it can be operating in parallel, that is transformer T1 or it may be transformer A, transformer B. These two transformer are operating in parallel. Okay, हे parallel मध्ये काय होत आहे, ऑपरेट होत आहेत. So see, while doing operating a transformer in parallel, that means connecting primary of both the transformer to the common supply voltage and the secondary of the both the transformer to the common load. At that situation, this transformer, it will share that load. So load काय करतील, share करतील. Okay, so suppose these two transformer having an same kVA rating, जर हे दोन्ही ट्रान्सफॉर्मर सेम kVA rating चे असतील, so load share by transformer, we have calculated the equation. It should be depends upon or it will be inversely proportional to that of its load impedance. त्याच्या load impedance वरती. See, it will be depends upon load impedance, individual impedance वरती depend राहतील. So we have calculated one equation, IA is equals to load current IL into opposite transformer resistance, that is ZB, opposite transformer impedance divided by sum of both the transformer impedance, that is ZA plus ZB. IA, that is load shared or the current shared by transformer A न share केला current, it is equals to total load current IL into opposite transformer impedance divided by sum of impedance of both the transformer. Similarly, we have calculated load shared by other transformer, that is transformer B, is equals to total load current into opposite transformer impedance divided by sum of impedance of both the transformer. दोन्ही ट्रान्सफॉर्मरच्या इम्पिडन्सची sum. This equation we have derived. Also we have calculated the load share by each transformer. We have represented this load sharing, it is equals to SA, that is power shared by each transformer. So load shared by each transformer is equals to total load on that transformer or total load on that transformer divided into opposite transformer impedance divided by sum of both the transformer impedance. Similarly, SB, it is equals to SL into ZA divided by ZA plus ZB, right? So this equation we have already derived, no? हे equation आपण derive केलेत ना? Hello. We have derived this equation, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, already derive केले parallel operation च्या theory मध्ये. See, so this equation derived already. That means lower shared आपण calculate केलेलं. So load sharing it can be depends upon impedance. Impedance वरती depend राहते. Okay. See, there are some of the condition while operating two transformer in parallel. ज्यावेळेस दोन ट्रान्सफॉर्मर आपण पॅरलल मध्ये ऑपरेट करतोय, at that situation there are some of the condition. It can be there are some of the condition, and if these condition are satisfied, then and then only we are able to calculate the we able to operate the two transformer in parallel. ज्यावेळेस त्या कंडिशन ज्या आहेत त्या सॅटिस्फाय होतील, at that time just 1 minute. See, there are some of the condition while operating two transformer in parallel. दोन ट्रान्सफॉर्मर ज्यावेळेस आपण पॅरलल मध्ये ऑपरेट करतोय, so at that situation there are some of the condition. We will discuss that condition. Before that we will see the aim of that practical and apparatus. While discussing regarding diagram, circuit diagram or the connection diagram, we will discuss that point. See, aim of that is nothing but parallel operation of transformer. That means we want to operate two transformer in parallel. दोन transformer parallel मध्ये operate करायचे. So for that apparatus required. So in that first one apparatus is nothing but single phase transformer is required, having an rating or the range. It is nothing but 1 kVA. And how many single phase transformer required? किती पाहिजेत? 2 or more than 2. So we are considering here only 2 transformer. We are operating 2 transformer in parallel. Now there is one voltmeter required, having an range 0 to 600 volt, 0 to 600 volt. And this voltmeter, it can be connected at the output side to read the voltage. If there is a polarity, that is additive polarity, that means it will give a double voltage as the top rating. And if there is a subtractive voltage, so that it will give a minus rating. So that we required 0 to 600 volt voltmeter. 0 ते 600 चा काय यूज केलेला आहे? आपलं ट्रान्सफॉर्मरचं व्होल्टेज तर 230 आहे. ओके, so 230 volt first one transformer, 230 volt second one transformer. So if there is a additive polarity, so it will show the summation of these two both. That means VA plus VB. Do you know? We have already discussed this one. So here one voltmeter required to measure this additive voltage or the polarity of the transformer. If it is additive, then we want to measure that voltage. So that voltmeter requirement range is nothing but 0 to 600. 0 to 600 range चा voltmeter पाहिजे. Now another voltmeter is required, having a range 0 to 300 volt. 0 to 300 volt चे दोन voltmeter पाहिजे to measure the voltage of individual transformer. इंडिव्हिज्युअल म्हणजे प्रत्येक ट्रान्सफॉर्मरचं व्होल्टेज मेजर करण्यासाठी आपल्याला एक दोन व्होल्टमीटर पाहिजेत. सो देयर आर 2 ट्रान्सफॉर्मर, दॅट मीन्स there are 2 voltmeter are required. Now ammeter range, that is ammeter, it can be required having a range 0 to 10 ampere, and the quantity of ammeter, it is nothing but 3. So 3 quantity, that means one ammeter measure the current flow by one transformer. Second ammeter, it will measure the current flowing through the second transformer, and the third ammeter, it will represent the load current IL. Okay, so this ammeter, it can be connected to load side. हा load side ला connect केला जाईल. Okay, so this is the ammeter, and if we put the load on that, load आपण put करतोय, so there is a one load bank, it can be required. whether the load is resistive, whether the load is inductive or it may be capacitive. त्याच्यावरती लोड रेजिस्टिव्ह असेल, इंडक्टिव्ह असेल किंवा कॅपॅसिटिव्ह असेल. So the load bank, it can be required resistive, inductive or capacitive. If we put the resistive load, so the resistive load bank, it can be required. Okay, so these are the apparatus required while performing this practical. हे practical perform करताना या apparatus काय आहे required. Now the schematic diagram or the circuit diagram, how the connection it can be done. See, before discussing about the connection, we will discuss first of all which are the condition, that is necessary and sufficient condition while putting two transformer in parallel. दोन transformer ज्यावेळेस parallel मध्ये put करतोय, at that situation there are some of the conditions are required. So in that first one condition is nothing but, which is the condition, पहिली condition काय आहे सांगा. झालेलं आहे हे. Hello. Tell me, what is the condition? First one condition. First one condition for operating two transformer in parallel, there are some of the necessary and sufficient condition is there. काय असेल कंडिशन? डोंट नो. दोन ट्रान्सफॉर्मर ज्यावेळेस आपण पॅरल मध्ये पुट करतोय, व्हॉट इज द नेसेसरी अँड सफिशियंट कंडिशन? इफ दिस कंडिशन आर सॅटिस्फाय, then and then only we are able to put two transformer in parallel. त्यावेळेसच आपण दोन्ही ट्रान्सफॉर्मर पॅरल मध्ये पुट करू शकतो. सांगा पहिली कंडिशन.
Same voltage ratio.
Same voltage ratio. Okay, see, this is not a necessary, that means this is a not a necessary condition. We can put two transformer in parallel having a different voltage ratio or the different kVA rating. Different voltage ratio चे पण ट्रान्सफॉर्मर आपण पॅरल मध्ये पुट करू शकतो. ओके, दिस इज नॉट नेसेसरी बट इट इज वन कंडिशन. ही कंडिशन आहे, that is voltage ratio, it should be same. Okay, so second one condition is that काय आहे? What about polarity? Polarity.
Same polarity.
So both transformer having an same polarity. दोन्हीची polarity same पाहिजे. It is one of the necessary condition. ही necessary condition आहे. Then third one is nothing but, third one condition काय आहे?
Same percentage impedance.
What?
Same percentage impedance.
Okay, percentage impedance. That is, this is most important condition is that percentage impedance of both the transformer remains same. Percentage impedance of both the transformer remains same. दोन्ही ट्रान्सफॉर्मर चा जो काय percentage impedance असेल, that is ZA and ZB, it will be same. दोन्ही ट्रान्सफॉर्मर चा percentage impedance काय पाहिजे? सेम पाहिजे. So this is the one important necessary condition. ही सगळ्यात महत्वाची necessary condition आहे, that is percentage impedance of both the transformer remains same. Also another one condition is that that is per unit reactance or the percentage reactance, that is X per unit reactance or the percentage reactance of both the transformer remains same. दोन्ही ट्रान्सफॉर्मरचा पर युनिट रिएक्टन्स जो आहे किंवा पर्सेंटेज रिएक्टन्स आहे, so it will be same. Okay, it will be the same. Okay, see, per unit impedance, percentage reactance, voltage ratio, and the polarity. So these are the condition to put the two transformer in parallel. ज्यावेळेस आपण दोन ट्रान्सफॉर्मर पॅरल मध्ये पुट करतोय. So these are the some of the condition while putting two transformer in parallel. दोन ट्रान्सफॉर्मर पॅरल मध्ये पुट करण्याचे काय आहेत कंडिशन आहेत. Okay, so these are the condition. Once this condition it can be satisfied, once this condition it can be satisfied, then we are able to put two transformer in parallel. त्यावेळेस आपण दोन ट्रान्सफॉर्मर पॅरल मध्ये पुट करू शकतो. Okay, see how this transformer it can be putted in parallel. See here, suppose this is transformer 1. Here the diagram it can be given, connection diagram or schematic diagram is given. This is the transformer 1 and this one is the transformer 2. So this is the primary winding of transformer 1. This one is the secondary winding of the transformer 2. Here, secondary winding of transformer 1, that is T1. Here the primary of transformer T2, second transformer chi primary winding. This is the secondary winding of the transformer T2. Okay, see, and here it is a single phase supply it can be given, single phase supply it is given, single phase supply, and this supply it can be fed by using what is this, कशा थ्रू फेड केलेलं आहे, काय आहे,
अल्टरनेटर.
हा, what is this, alternator, whether it is alternator, काय आहे ते, झालं ना रजे, कालच घेतले आपण.
Auto transformer.
Right, it is an auto transformer. See, here it is one only one winding is there. याच्यामध्ये एक winding आहे and one point here it is tapping it can be provided. This one act as a primary, this one act as a secondary. So this is the auto transformer, no? Diagram वरून पण लक्षात यायला पाहिजे होतं. ठीक आहे. See, here it is one of the auto transformer it can be provided. So this is the variable transformer or the auto transformer. We can call it as a VARAC also. VARIAC, VARAC पण म्हणू शकतो. Okay, so VARAC. So we are able to apply the variable voltage, so that we can call it as a VARAC, or it is a auto transformer. See, the positive supply and the positive terminal of the supply and the negative terminal of the supply it can be connected to primary winding of auto transformer, then a secondary winding of the auto transformer. Here the primary winding of transformer 1 and primary winding of transformer 2 are parallelly connected. That means it is connected to the common supply. Supply common आहे, याला common supply ला आपण primary winding पण connect केली आहे transformer T1 ची. Similarly, we have connected secondary winding of primary winding of the transformer T2. Primary winding transformer T2 ची पण connect केली, so that it is connected to the common supply. Common supply ला connect केले. Okay, now this one is the secondary winding of transformer T1. This one is the secondary winding of transformer T2. T1 ची secondary winding आहे, T2 ची secondary winding आहे. So again, one voltmeter is connected in across the secondary winding. Secondary winding च्या parallel मध्ये एक voltmeter connect केलेलं आहे. Similarly, in the transformer T1 and in the transformer T2, again one voltmeter it can be connected in parallel with that of secondary winding. Secondary winding च्या across मध्ये दुसरा voltmeter connect केले to measure the voltage, secondary voltage of transformer T2, to measure the secondary voltage of the transformer T1. Okay, so parallel मध्ये connection आहे voltmeter चं, having and range 0 to 300, because you know that the transformer having and 230 volt voltage, single phase 230 volt. Okay, 230 or 240 volt. So we are used here 0 to 300 volt voltmeter. Again, two emitter are connected in a series with that of secondary winding of the transformer T1 and the secondary winding of the transformer T2. T1 आणि T2 च्या series मध्ये दोन emitter connect केलेले आहे. Okay, and this it can be connected to the one common load. हे जे काय secondary winding आहे, so see याचं टर्मिनल इथं कनेक्ट केलेलं आहे बघा, याचं एमिटरचं टर्मिनल इथं कनेक्ट केलेलं आहे. So these are the common point. Again, next terminal of the secondary winding, it can be connected to this supply. Next terminal of the secondary winding, it can be connected to here, and here one of the switch it can be putted. याच्यामध्ये एक switch काय केलंय, put केलंय. Okay, switch it can be connected. Across that switch, one of the voltmeter it can be connected. त्या switch च्या across काय केलंय, voltmeter connect केलंय. See, that means the secondary winding of both the transformer, दोन्ही transformer ची secondary winding, it can be connected to the common load. Common load ला connect केलंय. Then we can call it as a two transformer are operating in parallel. त्यावेळेस आपण म्हणू शकतोय हे दोन्ही ट्रान्सफॉर्मर पॅरलल मध्ये काय केलेत, पुट केलेत. राईट, दिस टू ट्रान्सफॉर्मर आर कनेक्टेड इन पॅरलल when the secondary of the both the transformer it can be connected to the common load, and the primary of both the transformer it can be connected to the common supply. Okay, see, we want to take a reading of voltmeter V1. That means ट्रान्सफॉर्मर T1 च्या व्होल्टमीटरचं रीडिंग घ्यायचंय, ट्रान्सफॉर्मर T2 च्या व्होल्टमीटरचं रीडिंग घ्यायचंय. सो या व्होल्टमीटरचं रीडिंग घ्यायचंय विच इज कनेक्टेड इन कॉमन विथ दॅट. देन we want to measure the current share by transformer A, current share by transformer T2, and we want to measure the total current, that is load current. Load current पण measure करायचं. Okay, so these are the connection diagram. So this is just connection diagram. I have tell already condition. Can anyone tell me advantages of this? Why the transformer it can be putted in parallel? त्याचे काय advantages सांगू शकाल का? What is the use of or what is the application of this putting two transformer in parallel? दोन ट्रान्सफॉर्मर पॅरल मध्ये पुट करण्याची ऍप्लिकेशन काय किंवा गरज काय? काय ऍडव्हान्टेजेस येतील?
मॅक्झिमम इलेक्ट्रिक पॉवर अवेलेबल होते.
मॅक्झिमम इलेक्ट्रिक पॉवर अवेलेबल होईल. ओके, ठीक आहे. हा, नेक्स्ट अनदर वन ऍडव्हान्टेजेस. आणखी काय ऍडव्हान्टेजेस आहेत? सांगा. Okay, so there are multiple advantages. याचे मल्टिपल ऍडव्हान्टेजेस असतील. सपोज फर्स्ट वन ऍडव्हान्टेजेस इज दॅट, याच्यामधलं पहिला ऍडव्हान्टेजेस आहेत when two transformer are connected in parallel. ज्यावेळेस दोन ट्रान्सफॉर्मर पॅरलल मध्ये कनेक्ट केलेले आहेत. when two transformer are connected in parallel, at that situation the load shared by each and every transformer, so not a single transformer it can be overloaded. त्यावेळेस सिंगल ट्रान्सफॉर्मर ओव्हरलोड होणार नाही. सो दिस इज फर्स्ट वन ऍडव्हान्टेजेस, राईट? नो, दोन्ही ट्रान्सफॉर्मर पॅरल मध्ये पुट केलेले आहेत. दोन ट्रान्सफॉर्मर आर पुटेड इन पॅरलल. when this transformer it can be putted in parallel, ज्यावेळेस हे दोन ट्रान्सफॉर्मर आपण पॅरल मध्ये पुट करतोय, सो लोड शेअर्ड बाय ईच अँड एव्हरी ट्रान्सफॉर्मर. दोन्ही ट्रान्सफॉर्मरना लोड शेअर केलेला आहे. So any one of the transformer cannot be overloaded. Overload होणार नाहीये. Okay. If demand increases also. Demand increase झाली तर overload होणार नाही. Okay. So this is the first one advantages. Second one advantages is that we have already discussed, but I am telling. So second one advantages is nothing but if any one of the transformer unfortunately break down, what will happen? काय होईल? Any one of the transformer, it can be unfortunately break down. What will happen? What is mean by breakdown? What is mean by breakdown? Hello? Breakdown means what? सांगा काहीतरी बोला. सी याच्यामधला जर एखादा ट्रान्सफॉर्मर ब्रेक झाला, दॅट मीन्स एखादा ट्रान्सफॉर्मर जर बस्ट झाला किंवा जळाला, ओके, व्हॉट विल हॅपन? या ट्रान्सफॉर्मर वरती जे काही कंझ्युमर आहेत, वेदर देयर इज अ नो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, दॅट मीन्स इफ द ट्रान्सफॉर्मर सिंगल ट्रान्सफॉर्मर असेल आणि त्या एरियातला ट्रान्सफॉर्मर ब्रेकडाऊन झाला, इफ द ट्रान्सफॉर्मर इट कॅन बी ब्रेकडाऊन, वेदर इलेक्ट्रिकल डिमांड ऑफ दॅट एरिया इट विल बी मीट. सिंगल ट्रान्सफॉर्मर आहे आणि तो बस्ट झालेला आहे, तर त्या एरियाची जी काय व्हॅल्यू आहे, सॉरी जी काय इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिमांड आहे ती मीट होईल का? हॅलो, हॅलो, टेल मी एनीवन. जर एकच ट्रान्सफॉर्मर यूज केलेलं आहे and if this transformer it can be breakdown, तो ट्रान्सफॉर्मर ब्रेक झाला, so load put on that transformer, or that means there is a no continuity of supply. If two transformer it can be put in parallel, ज्यावेळेस आपण दोन ट्रान्सफॉर्मर पॅरल मध्ये पुट करतोय, when two transformer it can be put in parallel and one transformer it can be break down, at that situation we are able to meet that demand, or we are able to supply continuity. Supply ची continuity ठेवता येईल. So supply continuity. So this supply continuity it can be done by using another one transformer. या ट्रान्सफॉर्मर वरून ती सप्लायचा जो काही कंटिन्युटी लोड असेल तो आपण मीट करू शकतो. देन so these are the big transformer. हे जे ट्रान्सफॉर्मर आहेत, so this one is the big transformer. Big transformer are there. So there is a big transformer and there is a necessary that we want to maintain this transformer, having an cost is more, so that we want to maintain this transformer. The transformer चा maintenance करावा लागतो, so that there are some types of maintenance चे काही type आहेत. In that first one, suppose the monthly maintenance is there, yearly maintenance there, or the half yearly maintenance is there. So if any one of the transformer is removed for a maintenance purpose, एखादा ट्रान्सफॉर्मर जर मेंटेनन्स पर्पस साठी रिमूव्ह केला, then the demand of electricity on that area it can be met by other transformer. Other transformer वरून त्याची डिमांड काय करता येईल, मीट करता येईल. ओके, सो डिमांड ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी it can be met by other transformer which is connected in parallel with that transformer. त्या ट्रान्सफॉर्मरच्या पॅरल मध्ये कनेक्ट केलेल्या ट्रान्सफॉर्मर वरून त्याची डिमांड काय करता येईल, मीट करता येईल. ओके, सो these are the some of the advantages of these types of transformer. या ट्रान्सफॉर्मर पॅरल ऑपरेशनचे ऍडव्हान्टेजेस आहेत. नाउ procedure. See, connect the circuit as per the circuit diagram. Set the main power supply. Set the main power supply. Parallel. Set the main power supply parallel. Main power supply parallel. Paralleling switch and the load switch off position. Load switch, it can be at off position. And set single phase variac for zero output. Single phase variac जे आहे त्याचं किंवा सिंगल फेज ऑटो ट्रान्सफॉर्मर आहे त्याचं जे आउटपुट आहे, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सेट ऍट झिरो व्हॅल्यू. ते झिरो व्हॅल्यूला काय करायचं, सेट करायचं. ओके, सो इट विल बी सेट ऍट झिरो व्हॅल्यू. Now if it is set at zero value, after that switch on the supply. After that switch on the supply. If we switch on the supply, and with the help of auto transformer, ज्यावेळेस आपण ऑटो ट्रान्सफॉर्मरचा यूज करून आउटपुट जे आहे ते व्हॅरी करणार. विथ द हेल्प ऑफ सिंगल फेज ऑटो ट्रान्सफॉर्मर और वॅरॅक मेक voltage reading of both the transformer secondary voltmeter are equal. ओके, त्या दोन्ही ट्रान्सफॉर्मरच्या व्होल्टेजचं जे काय रिडिंग असेल, सो टेक दिस रिडिंग ऑफ बोथ द ट्रान्सफॉर्मर, दॅट इज सेकंडरी व्होल्टेज, इट विल बी इक्वल. दोन्ही ट्रान्सफॉर्मरचं सेकंडरी व्होल्टेज काय असेल, इक्वल असेल. When secondary voltage in both the transformer is equal, when secondary voltage in the both the transformer are equal and loop voltage reads 0, close the paralleling switch. See, हे जे काय स्विच आहे बघा, इथं स्विच आहे. So this switch, first of all, initially this switch is at open position while we are varying this auto transformer. ज्यावेळेस हा ऑटो ट्रान्सफॉर्मर आपण व्हॅरी करतोय, we are giving a full supply voltage to that of both the transformer. At that situation, there is a sum of the induced EMF in the secondary side. Secondary side मध्ये काहीतरी EMF induce होईल. If there is a same kVA rating transformer, then the secondary induced EMF, it will be same or the equal, because of the supply provided, it is equal. दोन्हीचा supply जो आहे, supply given, it will be equal. Then if this 2 voltmeter, it will be reads the same voltage. At that situation, this voltmeter, if will reads the zero value, ज्यावेळेस हा voltmeter zero value read करेल, meaning of that the subtractive polarity. We want to connect this secondary of two transformer having an subtractive polarity. Subtractive polarity मध्ये आपल्याला कनेक्ट करायचे. Okay, so we want to connect these two transformer having a subtractive polarity. If this voltmeter, it will be reads the zero value, at that situation this switch, it will be closed. That means this parallel operation of transformer, it can be start when this switch, it can be closed. ज्यावेळेस हे switch close करेल त्यावेळेस त्याचं parallel operation काय होईल, start होईल. That means this transformer initially या ट्रान्सफॉर्मर थ्रू फक्त लोड शेअर केला जाईल, म्हणजे दिस ट्रान्सफॉर्मर इज ओनली शेअरिंग द लोड, and when this switch is, it can be closed, so this transformer, it can be also able to share the load. तो ट्रान्सफॉर्मर पण लोड काय करेल, शेअर करेल. ओके, see, when the switch is on, when the secondary voltage is on the both the transformer is equal and the loop voltage reads 0, close the paralleling switch and take the reading of all ammeter and voltmeter. At that condition आपल्याला all ammeter चे आणि voltmeter चे reading घ्यायचे. Once the reading, it can be taken, put switch on the load bank on, load on करायचा in step until rated current, it will be flows. जोपर्यंत rated current flow होत नाही तोपर्यंत आपण लोड काय करणार, इनक्रीज करत जाणार. At each step, take reading of all ammeter and voltmeter. प्रत्येक स्टेपला टेक रिडिंग ऑफ ऑल ॲमीटर अँड व्होल्टमीटर. ॲमीटरचं आणि व्होल्टमीटरचं रिडिंग काय करायचं घ्यायचंय प्रत्येक स्टेपला. ओके, at each step we want to take reading of ammeter and voltmeter. Okay, so these are the procedure. Again, observation table we will discuss regarding observation table is that, so transformer primary is there. On the transformer secondary side reading we want to take, because their voltmeter it can be connected. So पहिलं reading voltmeterचं V जे काय असेल करंट फ्लो झालेला तो करंट, अगेन व्होल्टमीटर V2, अगेन व्होल्टमीटर रिडिंग ऑफ सेकंड ट्रान्सफॉर्मर, करंट रिडिंग ऑफ सेकंड ट्रान्सफॉर्मर. at that situation total current or the load current of the both the transformer, दोन्ही ट्रान्सफॉर्मर ने पॅरलल लोड शेअर केल्यानंतर लोड करंट किती असेल. सी this load current it is nothing but sum of these two current. If the kVA rating of the both the transformer it will be same, and the impedance of both the transformer it will be same, that is impedance it will be inversely proportional to their respective current. So at that situation transformer 1 share suppose load current of 5 ampere, and transformer 2 share load current of 5 ampere. ओके, 5 एम्पियर याच्यामधून फ्लो होत असेल, 5 एम्पियर जर याच्यामधून फ्लो होत असेल, so total current share by the load is nothing but 5 ampere, or total current of load side it is nothing but 10 ampere. That means sum of these two current, या दोन करंट ची काय असेल सम असेल. so this one is the observation table. हा एक observation table आहे. we want to take reading for different load ला आपल्याला reading घ्यायचे. so we want to take the reading at a different load condition. we are increasing the load step by step in load increase करणार, and we are able to take the reading. okay, we are able to take the reading. okay, so this is the observation table, and once we have observed this, we are made the conclusion, or we are meet the conclusion. at the point of conclusion ला आपण येतोय. so this conclusion is nothing, hence the two transformer it can be operated in parallel, or the result is nothing but hence the parallel operation of two single phase transformer it can be verified. parallel operation जे आहे दोन्ही ट्रान्सफॉर्मरचं आपण पॅरलल ऑपरेशन कन्सिडर केले, and we have verified the parallel operation of both the transformer. दोन्ही ट्रान्सफॉर्मरचं पॅरलल ऑपरेशन कंडक्ट झाले. ओके, लक्षात आलं. all of you getting this theory. we will perform this practical next. आपण नंतर याचं परफॉर्मन्स घेऊया. so I will explain all the theory related to that, because of there is another one practical is there. so we will conclude this today's. after that we will, in the next practical we will perform this practical either physically, or it may be I will make one video, and this video it will be shared to you. okay, getting लक्षात आलं का हे. हॅलो.
Yes, sir.
okay, so in this way we will conclude this today's practical, and we will stop here. thank you.